Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix PUBG Battleground game not launching or not opening, won't start, unable to open on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first thing what you need to do is to check the system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you just have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Both minimum as well as recommended requirements are mentioned over here. So you should make sure your system has all these requirements, and after that try to launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it. Once the game files are verified, after that launch the game and check. Next method is to run the game from installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game application. Here is the game application. Select the game application, right click on it and click on run as administrator, or simply double click on it and then check if the game is opening or not. If this doesn't work, you should run the game as administrator. So for that, select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, disable full screen optimization, select it and after that click on apply and OK. If the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to uninstall BattlEye and launch the game. So what you need to do is, here is the path. It may be different. So what you have to go, just go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. So here you can see the BattlEye folder, open it and here you can see install BattlEye as well as uninstall BattlEye. So both folders are available. What you have to do is you have to simply select this, right click on it and then select run as administrator. So simply select it, right click on it and then click on run as administrator. So after this you have to go to open after that open Steam and click on the play option. So after going to Steam, select your game under library section, here is the play option, simply click on it. This will reinstall BattlEye, or you will get a pop-up to install BattlEye, and just install it and then check the game if the issue is resolved or not and you can play it or not. But if the issue still continues, then move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. So first of all, search for the game. Here is the game application. If you cannot find it, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, this time type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back, type -windowed and then launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to delete temp files. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type %temp % and press enter. So whatever temp files you are seeing over here, you simply have to select it and finally click on the delete icon. So this will delete the temp files and after that try to log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, click on simply select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option under general. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, after that launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off, enable in game overlay options. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics card. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadowplay, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes. Now wait for some time. After you get set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log in the game and check you can play it. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows update option. Click on check for updates. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Once done, click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. Next is to turn off VSync. So for that, you have to first right click on desktop. After that, select NVIDIA control panel. From left, select manage 3D settings. Now under global settings tab, you have to select vertical sync and switch it off. After doing this, launch the game and then check if you can play the game. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. This time search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to go to the game folder. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder. Now select the application and add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, select it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall PUBG Battlegrounds once again. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and again reinstall PUBG Battlegrounds game, and finally click on the play button to check if the game is opening or not.